All right, Redland Farm. Just gonna do a quick review of this Great Circle wood chipper. It worked okay for palm fronds, but I did like 70 to 100. It was hard work. You can't go from the top because when you get down to here, if you're doing it in the top part, that gets wrapped around. That'll get wrapped around. So you do until you get it to 3 inches or less, then you can put it in there and that chute, and it works real good. And I don't mind that little green stuff out, but really you didn't get much. I did like up to 100 big coconut fronds, and we didn't get, we got 3 piles of mulch. I was gonna use the bag, but that bag is so hard to put on that at least when it's running, and it's a lot of work to start this thing up. I've started up power washers and lawnmowers, but it takes some pulling. That motor feels really heavy. So anyway, it puts down that kind of mulch with the palm fronds. So I just normally put the palm fronds on the tree, on the fence line, where we got potential break-in. That way if they cut through the fence, they got to get through all those palm fronds. That's more work than cutting through the fence. So here, come hold the camera. I'm gonna start it up, show them how it starts up, and I got a couple tree branches. I'm gonna try to do some tree branches. It worked okay for the coconut fronds. So here, come on back here. Hold that. Ah, you got that. Just hold it on the thing. Try to keep it steady. People don't like it when you shake. People give you a dislike if you make it unsteady. Kick us off of YouTube if you get too many. Okay. So I'm gonna start it up here. It's no fun. So I don't know, that's about what you got to expect with the wood chipper like that. So I'm gonna say it's okay. The people, my thing came dented, the top bin, and they sent me another one real fast. When you put that was like 2-inch piece of, you know, 2.5 inch, and that thing was really vibrating. You really need some big heavy gloves. And you saw it like vibrated the air filter. I don't know if I tightened it. There's a couple bolts that are loose. I need to tighten them up because that thing with the wood, it vibrates a lot more than with the cocoa fronds. So I'm gonna give it a okay. I mean, it does it. I know I'm just gonna prefer to put most of my sticks, trees, and palm fronds along the fence line. I just chop and drop. So some people worry about it getting snakes and diseases or whatever, but I don't know. I got to give it like 3.5 or 4 stars out of 5. There is some heavy vibration. It's hard work. You're gonna feel it. Just from doing like less than 100 palm fronds, my hands were already sore, and then doing that wood. So it does up to 3 inches, I guess, 2.5 inches. I don't know if it's hard. I mean, our wood's not hard. It's a fruit tree wood, and it was significant vibration, but you did get it. Anyway, Redland Farm. I'll put a link to the one that I got, which was at this size, it was the best value. Okay, bye.